Here's how you can see all open apps on the Apple Watch. Let's get started. And if you're new here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. Well, the point is that you can either open up the multitasking panel on the watch itself, similar to the iPhone's multitasking panel, where you'll see the last used apps. On the watch, you just double click the rotating digital crown button on the side of the watch. You just double click it as this, and you will see the last used apps, right? So you'll be able to go back in time, sort of, and see which apps you've been using. So that is the thing which a lot of people mean. However, there might be also some other open apps in the background of the watch, and you can check out those on the iPhone, where you go to the watch app and see the general section. Part of that, you can find a background app refresh, and these are all of the apps which can operate in the background even without you opening up the app with an actual icon, right? So it's not like officially open, but if you have it turned on in here, it can still run in the background and perhaps, use up your battery and the internet and all of the other features which it can use. So that's the other thing which you might mean when you want to see all open apps. But also on the main app page for the watch app, at the bottom you have all third-party apps as well as all available apps. And this is another section where you can kind of like manage which apps are like part of the watch and which are available but not there. So I guess it is kind of similar, even though it's a little different thing, but I just wanted to mention that as well. So let me know what you think below in the comments. I would really appreciate your feedback below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.